Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today I was at Menards shopping and found that they have these two FireAde fire extinguishers. The price of these that when we bought them was $4.98, but they kind of always have like a 10% or 11% deal going on. But I really didn't want to know if this was worth it because they had some name brands that were more expensive, but for these being $5, I was just wondering, were they going to be worth it? And when you look at it, it says perfect for houses, your cars, boats, tents, and grilling. So there's a lot of good functions for this, and as you can read on there, there's a lot of good things, no messy cleanup, easy to use, and literally all you have to do for this is you shake it up, just give it a really good shake, and then you just on the press right there, and it shoots out very far. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get a fire going, and now we're going to show you how it works out. We're going to do two demos. All right, as you can see, we have a little control burn here. We already have the can shaken up just to kind of see what it's doing, how this is just a small control fire, so we're going to see what this does. So even though it wasn't a huge flame, it's not what we were trying to go for. We were trying to go for a small control burn. This worked very well, that in a real big situation, if this was in your garage or house, you could at least have this to kind of help, as you saw what that just do. Yeah, it wasn't a big fire, but we weren't trying to go to that. We got a bigger fire going to kind of show you what we're going to do. As you can see with that bigger fire, we pretty much use almost half the can on the first one and half the can on the other one. But you can see we had a good fire going, and that definitely put it out nice and quick. And we're just going to kind of finish up just to make sure there's nothing else burning. For this being, I think it was like $5, what this was at Menards, was definitely worth it to have. And one of the things, it put it out quickly for $5. Wasn't sure if this was going to be worth it, and definitely it was. All right, as you saw in those two demos, definitely did the job. The first one was kind of like a small fire, just if you caught it early. The next one was a little bit bigger fire, and definitely for the $4.98, these are definitely worth to have. I'm actually going to probably go back to Menards, pick up a few more. This is the empty one that we used for the demo, but in the end, the spray, the control of what it put it out, made me feel real good to have this. Definitely gonna buy more to put one in my car, my wife's car, and I'm working on a bug out bag for the house just in case of a fire. So I'm probably gonna put a few of these in there, and also, which I did a video of the fire extinguisher, which I'll put the link to that video down below. And I'm working on a few other items, so once I get that bag complete, I will be able to show you everything that we have going on. But in the end, I am super impressed with this, especially for being pretty much $5. Sometimes you don't know, is it worth the money, is it not? For me, this is definitely worth the money if you're at Menards to pick one of these up, because you see the little fires and stuff we had going. If you're in a car, even if you're in your house, you just need that few seconds to spray around your door while you're getting out the window, this could definitely help stop it. Granted, if the house is in flame, it's really not. That's when you need the bigger fire extinguisher. But for something small, having this in your garage, cars, camping, grilling, these are definitely worth it. So definitely 2 thumbs up in my book for good buy to have. So if you guys have ever bought one of these and if you used them, let me know in the comment section, because I'd be kind of curious if everyone else has used this kind of fire extinguisher, camping or whatever, if you even have them on hand. And then hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.